How to change the slide of the camera toolbar on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to change the slide of the camera toolbar on Instagram. Watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch Instagram application on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now you can easily slide from left to the right in order to access your story camera on Instagram. From the section, you can easily find out that my toolbar on this camera section is on left. If it is appeared right on your Instagram camera section, then you can easily change the side of the camera toolbar on Instagram. Simply select the gear icon at top right corner to access the settings section. From here, you will see the camera tools. Currently it has been set to left side. You can choose right side and set it to right side. So using this camera tool, you can easily choose which side of the screen you want your camera toolbar to be on. From this way, you can easily see that we have successfully changed the side of the camera toolbar on Instagram. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching.